make sure that Ed Miller, who is big and tough, is okay inside of there. It looks like he's not even going to get it out. He wants to stay right inside of there.
All I wanted to see.
He turned his thing up right side out. Guys are going to hook it up here, but oh man, now you get a chance to see the underside of a monster truck. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I should let you know this, that when you look at one of these trucks and the way he was playing around out here, each one of these trucks is worth somewhere around $250,000. And he just came out here and tore it up for you. Give a round of applause right here. On Reverse Racer, but will it be enough? The one thing that he's done is he set the bar a little bit higher. Set the bar one more notch up, which means that Bill Payne and the rest of them have got to meet that bar or fall behind.